Okay, today, what is today? September 17th, it's on there. Okay, this is just the file video that proves we ran the oven, that it works. You got the lower chamber at 904, the upper one at 1000. We're running this on, what is it, 223 phase. And we need a hook or something to open that lower door. Probably got to pull up, yeah. There's, you can see red elements in there. Okay, you can shut that. Just let it, yeah, crack it. And there's, that's at 1000. And you got the red elements in there. There's not one in every thing, but that's just the way it is. So, okay, we're good. You let that down as gently as you can. Killing yourself. All right, point is, it works. So, just in case it have a problem.